get one of these wipes here. Here. One here, one there. They're all usable.
Let me choose. I choose this one. This. Can I get a little wet?
No. Give the one that was already wet I gave to you. That's to dry it off with, that one. I gave you a... Brenna, no! Right here. Use this one. By the white pumpkin.
No.
Well, then don't do it then. I don't know what to tell you.
Tell her, Lily. Tell her just use one. It's not working. It's not working.
Yes, it is, Brenna. It's coming on.
No, Lily. Lily's coming towards this stuff.
Yeah, I know. Can't keep her from it. Boy, Jack, that is a juicy pumpkin. Look at all the water on the floor for that thing.
Those yellow ones are.
I know. This thing is juicy.
Lily. Hi.
She's a beauty.
Yeah.
There, she's 1 in a million pumpkins.
No kidding.
Okay, now let me do it over again, people.
People.
Let it dry, Brenna.
Now try it again.
Who cleaned
Okay,
these
what?
pumpkins off?
Watch Jack's mouth.
Lily's mesmerized by it. Look at Lily. Have you filmed Lily watching Jack?
Lily, watch me.
She's been watching you. And now she's watching Jack. No, we're not gonna take baths after this, are we, guys?
Yeah.
Don't you want to go to bed smelling like pumpkin and having sticky pumpkin stuck to you?
No.
You might pick up some girls at school tomorrow,
Yeah,
Jack.
they might say, ooh, we like the smell of rotten pumpkin. Come here, pumpkin boy.